Hey there, explorers! It's me, Blippi. Today we have something super special planned just for you. We're going to dive into the world of letters, and not just any letter, but one that is full of mystery and fun. Can you guess which letter it is? I'll give you a hint. It loves to play hide and seek. That's right. Today we're going on a super exciting adventure with a letter that loves to play hide and seek. This letter is not only fun, but also very important. It appears in so many words and has a unique sound that makes it stand out. Are you ready to find out more about it? Let's play a little game. Look at all these letters. Can you spot the one that we're talking about? It's hiding somewhere in there. Take a good look and see if you can find it. Yes, there it is. The letter X? Great job, explorers! The letter X makes a fun sound, almost like a little kiss. Can you make the sound with me? X, X. It's like a little secret code that we can use in so many words. Isn't that cool? That's right. It's the letter X. This letter is so special because it can be found in words like box, fox, and mix. Each time you see it, you know it's going to add a little bit of magic to the word. Let's see if we can find more words with the letter X together. X is a little bit tricky, but don't worry. We're going to become experts together. We'll learn how to spot it, how to say it, and how to use it in our words. By the end of our adventure, you'll be an expert on the letter X, and you'll be able to find it everywhere. Are you ready to have some fun learning about the letter X? Let's go! We'll explore different words, play games, and even create our own stories using the letter X. So grab your explorer hat, and let's start our amazing journey with the mysterious and magical letter X. Sometimes, when we're looking for treasure, we use an X to mark the spot on a map. This X is like a beacon, guiding us to the hidden riches that lie beneath the surface. Imagine a pirate's map, old and weathered, with an X that promises adventure and discovery. The X is not just a mark, it's a symbol of hope and excitement, a promise of something valuable waiting to be found. X is like a secret code that tells us where to find something exciting. It's a universal symbol that transcends languages and cultures, a simple yet powerful way to communicate the location of something special. Whether it's a hidden treasure chest filled with gold and jewels, or a secret hideout known only to a few, the X marks the spot where dreams come true. When we say the letter X, it sounds like we're blowing out birthday candles. Imagine the joy and excitement of a birthday party, the anticipation as the candles are lit, and the thrill of making a wish before blowing them out. The sound of the letter X captures that moment of pure happiness, a burst of energy and fun that fills the air. We put our tongue behind our teeth and blow out a big X. Let's practice together. It's like a little game, a fun way to learn and play at the same time. By making the sound of the letter X, we're not just practicing our pronunciation, we're also engaging our imagination and creativity. It's a playful exercise that helps us connect with the world around us in a meaningful way. Say, "Kuss!" You got it! Great job! Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to say the letter X with confidence and flair. Remember, every time you say "kuss," you're not just making a sound. You're also unlocking a world of possibilities, a treasure trove of experiences and adventures that await you. So keep exploring, keep discovering, and let the X mark your path to endless fun and learning. Have you ever heard a xylophone? It's a musical instrument with colorful bars that makes a beautiful sound when you hit them with a mallet. And guess what? Xylophone starts with the letter X. Let's say it together. Xylophone. Wow, you're amazing! Can you think of other words that start with the keys sound like xylophone? How about xenon? That's a type of gas. Let's meet a new friend. It's a fox. Foxes are fascinating creatures that live in many parts of the world. They are known for their intelligence and adaptability. Have you ever seen a fox in real life, or maybe in a storybook? They often appear in tales and fables because of their clever nature. Foxes are clever animals with bushy tails, and their name has the kuss sound in the middle. Listen closely. Fox. Did you know that foxes use their bushy tails for balance and to keep warm? Their tails are also called brushes. Isn't that interesting? Foxes come in different colors too, like red, gray, and even white in the Arctic. Can you hear the kiss sound? You got it! The kiss sound is made by the letter X in the word fox. It's a bit sneaky, isn't it? The letter X can sometimes be a little tricky to spot in words, but once you know what to listen for, it becomes easier. Let's practice saying it together. Fox, great job! The letter X can be tricky because it sometimes hides in the middle of words. For example, in words like extra or exciting, the X makes a similar sound. Can you think of any other words with the letter X in them? It's like a little treasure hunt for letters. But don't worry, the more we practice, the better we'll get at finding it. Practicing with words that have the letter X can be a fun game. You can look for words in books, on signs, or even in your favorite TV shows. The more you practice, the more you'll notice how often the letter X appears. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be an expert at spotting the sneaky X in any word. Do you know what time of year is extra special? Christmas. And sometimes we shorten the word Christmas to Xmas. Even though we write it with an X, we still say Christmas. It's like a secret code for a super fun holiday. The letter X loves to be part of celebrations and surprises. Have you ever been to the doctor and gotten an X-ray? It's like having superpower vision. Doctors use X-rays to see our bones and make sure we're healthy and strong. The letter X helps us see things that are usually hidden. It's like magic. Can you say X-ray with me? Excellent! Now that we know how to say the letter X, let's play a game. I'm going to say some words and you clap your hands every time you hear the cuss sound. Ready? Box, cat, six, dog, axe. How many times did you clap? You're so good at this. Learning the alphabet is so much fun, especially when we sing about it. Let's sing an extra special song about the letter X. Insert catchy and educational song about the letter X. Hey explorers, don't forget to check out our super fun AZ Words Funny Adventure video on my channel. We'll go on a wild ride through the whole alphabet. It's full of amazing surprises, silly songs, and even more letter friends to meet. Learning new things is always more exciting with friends. Can you teach your friends how to say the letter X? You can even show them all the cool words we learned today. Remember, the more we practice, the better we become. And learning should always be an adventure. Wow, look at you. You're an expert on the letter X. You learned how to say it, you found it in different words, and you even sang a song about it. Give yourself a big round of applause. Learning the alphabet is an amazing journey, and you're doing a fantastic job. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep having fun with letters. See you soon.